Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Infinix Hot 20 and let me share with you how to change this navigation type with the buttons to the gestures. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now in this highlighted options, we've got the system navigation. So let's enter, and as you can see, we've got two different options. So the gesture navigation at the top and 3-button navigation, which is currently applied. Right here, you've got kind of a tutorial of how to use the 3-button navigation. And just a quick disclaimer, if you'd like to stick to this option, so if you don't want to really change it to gestures, you can customize them. Just tap on more settings, and as you can see here, you can customize the voice assistant, and also you can reorder the buttons, so you can change the position of the recents and the back button. It's up to you. But let me get back and let's actually apply the gestures. So simply tap on this option at the top. And as you can see, the 3 buttons navigation will immediately disappear. Right here again, we've got the tutorial, the animation of how to use the gestures. You can of course tap on gesture tutorial and you will go through it and learn how to use them. But of course, no worries, I'll show you how to use the gestures. And here you've got more settings where you can actually customize the gestures. So here you've got the option, the back sensitivity. As you can see, you can set it on higher or lower. Unfortunately, it is not shown right here, but basically it works like that. You're changing the area which is responsible for catching your kind of back gestures, so you can set it lower or higher. And I highly recommend to actually get back to this option after using the gestures for a while, so for example like 2-3 days or even a week, because thanks to this you will know what you actually need from the back gesture. And you can also customize the voice assistant. So as I promised, I'll show you how to use the gestures. So basically, if you want to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center of your device, and as you can see, for a second you can see this arrow, and after releasing your finger you will simply go back to the previous page, just like that. And it works the same from both sides, so you can do it from the left or the right side. If you'd like to get back directly to the home page, then all you have to do is to simply swipe your finger up fastly, just like that, from the bottom to the center. And as you can see, here we've got the home page. And in order to open the recents, so the previously opened apps, you have to swipe your finger from the bottom to the center again, but this time do it kind of slowly and hold your finger somewhere here, just like that. And after releasing the finger, you can see that here we've got all previously opened apps. So basically that's all. This is how to set the gestures in your Infinix Hot 20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.